Mabuhay at magandang araw sa inyong lahat. On behalf of the Department of Tourism, National Capital Region, it is our great pleasure to extend our support to the Icons of Change Job and Career Fair 2025. Tourism is not just about travel. It is a powerful force for progress. It drives economic growth, creates jobs, and strengthens communities. Today, around 16.4 million Filipinos, or 34% of our workforce, depend on tourism for their livelihoods, highlighting the industry's critical role in our nation's economic recovery. Whether in hospitality, events, food services, travel, or cultural preservation, the tourism sector offers limitless possibilities for those ready to take the next steps in their careers. And here in Las Piñas, a city rich in heritage and strategically positioned near key destinations, the potential for success in tourism and entrepreneurship is boundless. To all job seekers, career shifters, and aspiring entrepreneurs, your journey begins here. Take advantage of this opportunity to gain insights, build connections, and explore careers that align with your passion and skills. Under the steadfast leadership of Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco, the Department of Tourism remains committed to empowering individuals through initiatives that drive employment and professional growth, reinforcing tourism as a pillar of progress. We commend the organizers for this meaningful event and look forward to seeing more individuals take part in shaping the future of tourism and beyond. Maraming salamat. Love IOC. Love the Philippines.